Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We're looking at Dixie on a daily time frame, and as you can see, we are still consolidating the lows near 101. As long as today we open at 6 p.m. at Central and look for sideways and don't lose 101 on any time frame close, we should look for continuation of the sideways and then hopefully upside into that 102 or 103 level area. If we open and we go down, you should look for upside in crypto and tech stocks. If we open and go up, you should look for downside on those equities. So be aware and ready for 6 p.m. Central for that to play out. Now, keep in mind that monthly is about to close. So let me go to a monthly time frame so you can see what we're working with on a monthly time scale. And here it is. As you can see, on a monthly, we topped out, came and tested a support after overbought condition, and we're consolidating on the 21 EMA on monthly. If we lose this 101 102 level close on the end of this month, which is in 5 days and 9 hours, more than likely we will be looking to continue down and find support near 98.50. Just keep aware of that. I'm not saying it's going to occur, but that's the next natural area to come test support if we lose this formation, and it does look like it wants to come here, find some sideways. I can say that wholeheartedly, even though I want sideways and up. I think you can come here, grind out, looking left, finding support on this white EMA at 99, 98, 50, and then finally getting an opportunity to go up. If we get that close above 101, then we can look for a test into 104, 105, and then we can try to come back later. But if we can claim above that 105, 106 level, and get the next monthly close up there in May, then obviously we can negate this and continue our path to the upside, which we were looking for in the first place. So this is very important monthly close. Let's see how it goes. Now, since monthly is about to close, let's go look at Bitcoin on a monthly, and we're going to do it with perpetual. We're not going to do CME, so you know what to expect moving forward for all of the people who are super bullish and bearish. Let's put everything into perspective. Here is your monthly on Bitcoin. All the excitement that we got. Yes, we went to the 21 EMA, but we got rejected very hard off the middle of the Bollinger Band. Now we're looking for support at 26,750. If we can close above that this month, great. Next month we can open and continue up further into that Bollinger Band level. Like, if I want to give you a fair level, I will say around 33 to 34,000. And then from there we can see if we claim that level as support, we can look for higher, like 48,000 to 50,000, around there. So it's a big gap to fill, but after this monthly candle's conclusion, we can have more probable direction up or not. And then if we consolidate here a little bit more, that's fine. It's actually going to give time for oscillators to cool off and get back into the bullish control. Right now, a monthly close at this level of the above the 21 EMA would be considered bullish in my opinion, and the next candle should open and go back into that 33,000 plus. So this is just about 7 more days of patience for you to have this play out properly. Just wait for a close above 26,000 and you can, get into a long for higher. All right. That's basically what we're looking for on Bitcoin on a monthly time scale. Now let's go to a weekly. Now I'll do the same thing with ETH. We won't go lower than weekly. Okay, we'll just keep it on high time frame. Now, high time frame, you went all the way to the top of the range, and you're coming back looking for support around 26,600. That 100 EMA is your support. Losing that on a 4-hour open and close, you still have support around 22,000 to 24,000. Okay, this area is a long scalp area if you want it. And then worst case scenario, you're gonna go test the monthly low before the month is over around 19,800. And I know that's not going to be nice and pretty for a lot of you guys, but this is a realistic probability you need to be planned and ready for. With everything looking for downside, at least you should be looking for this level here around 24K. And if you lose that 24K because of over leveraged people getting liquidated and cascading liquidation and fear and panic in the market, you can look for next support around 19,500 for you to go sideways and then back up in the next week or two. So Be aware of that moving forward. It's something that probably not anyone is even considering, but is realistic. Next week, if we open and Dixie starts to dump, then we can look for us to get reclaim of this 31,000 with the weekly close above it, and then look for continuation higher to that 34,000 level that I was talking about earlier. All right, cool. Now let's go to a monthly of ETH. So today morning, I closed my ETH long at about 110, 120% profit. I am in an ETH short right now, and I'm holding it. I'm trying to see if this candle is going to close this month above 1895. If not, we're going to be looking for a possible retest of the breakout area around 1550, and then we can decide to scoop that long around 1550 and retest into that 1895 area and break, and then go test into that 2300. Right now, we're getting a nice little rejection off the middle of the Bollinger Band, which is completely understandable because it's the first tap. But we should consolidate above the 21 EMA if we want that to be a solid support, like near 1900. And consolidating under 1900 would give us a risk of coming in testing right back into 1540 before looking for upside if we're going to get it. Right now, RSI is looking good. This little wick rejection doesn't look that great, but hey, next week we can come back, test support, and then continue up in the next month after that. So basically, this monthly close above 1895, good. Monthly close under 1895, bad. Let's go to the weekly. Here's your weekly bullish engulfing bearish candle, hard rejection off the overbought, almost overbought condition. Testing into 21 EMA is a logical thing to do around 1665 to 1580, and then finding support there, going sideways and continuation up in about a week or two would be great. If the weekly starts to close under 1880 and we're going testing into lower levels, well then 1360, 1350 is the level that I would be looking for the next long scalp. Losing that level will mean we're bearish on a monthly level, so that means I don't want to try to scalp along. I will be taking a market short, riding it down as low as we want to go, and then having a stop loss above like 1550 if I shorting around 1400 or 1350. So be aware of the possibilities to the downside. They're there. Right now, we are in a bullish stance. We're trying to prove support. We already lost 100 EMA, not great. We're sitting on the 55 EMA now. That's fine. 1750, don't lose it on a weekly open and close. Otherwise, you're looking for continuation lower into that 1550 to 1350 area. Now, that's basically all I have for you guys today moving forward. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comments section below. Keep in mind that 6 p.m. Central Eastern is when CME opens, so get ready for that volatility a few hours before. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. Any assets you want me to cover that I haven't already, leave it in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. Aside from that, guys, if you could leave me a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, I would greatly appreciate it. I'm going to go on the Discord live right now for a quick half an hour session with the group. If you choose to come join us, please feel free to join us. The link to the description is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that help this channel grow. So please, please, please do use them, and I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you have other like-minded individuals that like crypto, who want to get better at trading, and would like these daily videos, please feel free to recommend them. And then the worst thing you can do is just, leave me a comment and just tell me if there's anything I can improve on, or if there's anything that you'd like to see different. Leave me in a comment, and then I can get those adjustments moved accordingly, because this is officially 1 year in YouTube, guys. We've officially been 1 year. And yeah, let's see how crazy the next year can get. Thank you so much, guys, for your time and support. I really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.